Well, good evening. Is it safe for South Dakota lawmakers to attend the 2021 legislative session in person in Pierre on January 12th? A Sioux Falls representative says it's too risky without a vaccine and wants to attend remotely. Incoming Senate Leader Lee Schoenbeck of Watertown is the latest lawmaker to contract COVID-19. Tonight, Angela Kennecke talks with Democrat Linda Duba, who is worried for her health if she attends the upcoming session in person, and Republican Steve Haugard, who says lawmakers need to do their jobs and show up at the Capitol in 2 weeks.
Out of the more than 70 lawmakers on the House floor during Governor Kristi Noem's budget address on December 8th, fewer than 30 were wearing masks.
This is a public health concern that I have. We have community spread. We don't know where the infection is coming from. We know that our ventilation in the Capitol is less than desirable, whether it be in a committee room or in the chamber. We know that we cannot social distance. We know that masks are not required.
Democrat Representative Linda Duba of Sioux Falls says her children brought their concerns to her about attending the upcoming session in Pierre. Duba is 64 and suffers from hypertension and asthma.
It's not safe. We should demand more. We should make sure that we're in CDC compliance if we're going to insist on in-person meetings.
Because I think we're going to take plenty of cautions and provide the options there in the Capitol where people can social distance, they can wear masks, they can have plexiglass dividers in the chamber if they choose.
Our news cameras captured plexiglass now set up around 4 of the desks in the Senate chamber, but none yet in the House. Republican Representative Steve Haugard is the outgoing Speaker of the House. He suffered from COVID-19 in October.
For the most part, I've had a good recovery. I've got my strength back, have some impairment of breathing if I wear a mask. So, for me, putting a mask on is detrimental.
Therefore, Haugard is opposed to mandating masks during the session.
I'd like to see us as a body consider that people are going to be exposed when they're out there. They could contract the virus. And so what we should be thinking is, how can we rapid test our legislators, and are there vaccines available for those who wish to get them?
So will you go to Pierre without a vaccine?
I do know that I have to go to Pierre to be sworn in. The LR, that's constitutional.
But attending a session remotely would require a change in the rules, something Haugard doesn't support.
Life has risks. I think we need to move forward and get our job done. If you're expecting that the entire session is going to be problematic, then you've got to consider, do I resign my position, let somebody actually get out there who can fill the role?
And I'm just asking that our workplace be considered, safe as well.
Legislative leaders are considering new policies on attending the session remotely, but they would have to be adopted by the full legislature.